Hello, hello. Happy Saturday to all of you. I hope you are having a great day. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Do not forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Let's take a look at Ethereum. I have to admit, Ethereum price action for 2 months now is a bit of a mess, huh? A lot of overlapping structure, and anyway, nothing that you did not observe yourself. I have three scenarios for Ethereum that I'm giving probabilities to. They are all on the table. At the moment, there is no clear indication as to which scenario would take the leads. There is a blue count, there is a green count, and there is a red count. The blue and the green, they are bearish midterm. When I say midterm is from now to, I don't know, few weeks, a month, 2 months, something like that. And the red count is bullish rather soon. When I say soon is a few days, a week or so. The idea is simple. This red count made the assumption that the bottom we made early August was the end of the fourth corrective wave, and now we would be looking at 5 waves up to finish this upswing that we started since the low we formed, I don't know, a year and a half ago, something like that. And so this bullish count has formed a 1, has formed a 2, and within the 3 that we are forming, we formed a 1 with the most recent high at 2,730, and now we are looking at forming a corrective wave ABC as a 2. It's too early to say where is the B gonna end. However, given the assumption that we formed a 5-wave move down since the most recent high, you can assume that this move down is the wave A of ABC, and now we are looking at resistance level of 2,511 up to 2,634. And those levels would probably see the wave B of ABC start to slow in momentum and probably reverse also to go and complete a 5-wave move down to do the C. And that C finished would give us the end of wave 2. We don't know yet wave 2 would end, obviously, and then we would look up for 3 waves moves up. 5-wave move up, to make a 3, then a 3 down to make a 4th, and then another 5 waves up to make a 5 of 3. And this 3 in bracket would complete the impulsive wave that we started in beginning of September. Beginning of August. Now, these 3 has a target at about, that's a minimum theoric, it's a guideline, it's not a definite in stone type of target. 3,000 and some change, can be more, can be a bit less. So far, it's still too early for that. Now, so that's the, as I was saying, the red count, which is bullish rather soon. Now the blue count, and I'm going to talk about the invalidation after I'm done with the blue count. The blue count has a different approach to it. It's a bearish one. It takes the idea of we're not forming an impulse 5 ways up, we're forming actually a triangle, and it's an Elliott triangle. Because this triangle has 3 waves up for A, 3 waves down for B, 3 waves up for C that we completed with the most recent high at 2,730. And now the question is, are we going to make another 3 waves down? It appears so because we are expecting a correction for wave 2 in red. So whether it's the red count or the blue count, we would still have 3 waves down. I would form the D, and then we would look at 3 waves up to form the E. Now, once we are here, this wave E would mark the top of not, or should I say, let me show you something before I go on to that. This wave E would mark the top and the end of corrective wave 4. And you're going to tell me, what the heck, you have a wave 4 since the recent top in March? Yeah, I counted since the top in March. You can count, I mean, it's possible to count 5 waves. Actually 3, And now we would be doing a fourth wave. Remember that since the top, we would be looking at a correction in the form of an ABC, but this ABC can be a 535 or a 335. It is possible that we are doing a 535 and we are within the fourth wave of this first 5. I don't know if you're still following. Meaning, if we are actually doing a triangle, and we would know we do a triangle once we reach the bottom here for wave D or wave 2. If we move impulsively higher and we break the most recent high, then you can scrap the scenario of a triangle. We are doing the red count bullish one. If, however, from there we start to move in a corrective 3 ways up, it will add confluence to, or I should say, a bit more weight to the scenario of the triangle, and we should probably forget about the bullish counts, at least at the beginning. And so coming back to the triangle, wave 4 would end here, and after wave 4 you would expect 5 wave move down to complete this first A leg of the ABC of this gigantic correction in which Ethereum is probably in. And that would mean prices would end up at around 1,800, 1,900, something like that. Anyhow, too early to have a clear target. The invalidation I was talking about for the triangle, which is the blue count, and the bullish count is this level here. This level is 2,150. If we were to break down from here, or from there, 2,150, this would invalidate the triangle idea, and it would invalidate the bullish count. And it would signal that wave 4 of this gigantic correction finished here, early at the end of September on the 26th, and now we are printing a 5 wave move down, aggressive one, to finish this gigantic correction. So whether it's an aggressive bearish invalidation of the scenario or whether it's a triangle, we have a bearish count. Now, it's probably not what everybody wants to hear. However, it's a probability and we need to take it into account. At least I do. Meaning that once we get around this 1,800, we finish with 5. What you can expect logically is to construct a corrective 3 ways up. It would correspond to the wave B of this gigantic ABC correction we started since beginning of March. Okay, so we would see prices go up in a 3-way fashion, and we would definitely most likely go higher than $3,000. So the update is the following. We watch for prices to go back up here around this 2,500 and some change, plus minus, and then we observe how prices are moving. If from the end of wave 2 here, which is a correction in 3 ways up, we should be starting either wave 3, and wave 3 is a 5-wave move down, and we would then break this 2,150. That would indicate that scenario blue and scenario red are to be scrapped. Or we just do a B, and then we go 5-wave down, but we don't go as far. We don't break the invalidation, and we stop somewhere around here. And we make either the wave D of the triangle, or we make the wave 2 of the impulse within the red count. Too early to say at the moment. Let's just observe the price, how we get to this area of resistance within the next few dozens of hours. Okay, that's the end of the update for Ethereum. I appreciate you a lot for sticking around till the end of this video. Do not forget to subscribe and press the notification bell icon. I'll speak to you soon. Or you can actually leave me a comment. I would reply to this comment. Thanks a lot. You take care and be well. Bye-bye.